Hello friends, welcome to our channel Programmer. In this video, we're going to see about numbers. Numbers in Python, there are three types: int, float and complex. We run that code and we find that type also. X type is integer, Y type is float and Z type is complex we has taken. Next, C is equal to 9. 9 is an integer value and we can convert it into float or complex also. Now we can see how to convert int into float. So take one variable x and give a key value float and run that C value. If you give a C, the output will be 9 only. So we need to give that new variable x and your output will be 9.0. It's an float converted into a float value 9.0. Next, we can convert into float into int and float into complex also. Now A is equal to float x, B is equal to int x, and C is equal to complex x. Going to convert that int into float, and now we run and see that code. We will get that output 12.9 as a float value and float into int 12 and complex you have 12.9 plus 0j. That I plus j, that type of complex will you get. Next, z is equal to 10 is a type integer. Next, z is equal to string is bracket z is equal to 10 we get. Next, string. What is mean by strings? Strings is nothing but which we will write inside the double quotes, that is known as string. Now A is equal to the world is awesome. Next, if you need any one word want to get in output, we need to use that index position. Each letter have the position in that string. The first starting is 0 and first T is 0 index position and H is 1 index position, E is second index position, and the space also includes that index position. So you need to count that space also. 0 starts from 0. A is bracket 4 is to 14 and you will have that world is fourth position is W and fifth position is 0 and sixth position is R, 7 is L and 8 is D. That space is 9 and I is 10, S is 11 and space is 12, 13 is A. Why we giving a letter is 14 means if you need up to 13 letter, you need to give 14 letter, okay, 14 number index position, then only we get a correct output. If you need a single word 4 is to 9, you will get that output world. And if you give A is equal to bracket 1 is to 7, you will get that he space WOR, because we give position 7 and up to 6 only the output will come. So next, if you need sum the word, you need to give that 10 is to 0 and we will get that sum. Next, A dot is digit. A is equal to A dot capitalize and bracket. A is equal to capitalize word. Why we using means if you need to write the string in capital letters, you need to use that keyword capitalize. So take an variable A and capitalized and double bracket. You need to call that, and we need to store that also, that only the output will came correctly. So the world is awesome. Next, capitalized means it will started in a capital letter. Next, A is digit. Why will use that digit means first false. A is not a digit, it is a string, no? So it came an output false. Next, A is lower, not lower, it has a capital that also, so it came as false. Next, A lower means you need to write all letters in small letter, means you need to give lower, and will all string is changed into small letter, and you give A dot upper key, and the output will all letters will change into a capital letter. Next one, A, the world is awesome. The all letter are changed into a capital letter. Next, A is equal to A dot replace is will be. We need to change any word, you need to use that keyword replace and give what word you need to change, and you will get that output. The world will be awesome. Next, A dot find keyword. You need to find the or is in which position index. Or is in 6th index of the string, so the output is 6. A dot title and bar you give means the output will be. Why we need to give title means if you need a capital letter in starting of the word, you will need to give that keyword title. Next, S is equal to A dot split. If you need to write a sentence into splitted word, you need to use that key split. Next, we going to see operators. There are many type of operator. First, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators is nothing but additional, subtraction, multiplication and division. For addition we will use plus, and subtraction minus, multiplication star, and division bar we will use, and we get that output 4, 1, 0 and 0.0. Please subscribe our channel for more important videos. Thank you for watching.